Rob here of LxWxH, and today we'll be unboxing the Haliya-M gaming case by Rakk. Let's check this out. So I ordered this from a store in Lazada together with the illest keyboard. The Spectre 2 RGB fans, and the Captain mouse. It also comes with a user manual, which is a must-read. The front can fit 3 120 or 2 140mm fans, while for radiators, you can mount 240 or 280. It also comes with a radiator mounting bracket. At the top of the case, you'll find the power, reset, and LED buttons together with the USB 3.0, 2.0 mic and headphone ports. It comes with the removable magnetic dust filter, and you can install 2 120 fans. On the back, you got your usual I/O panel, PSU, and 4 PCIe slots. Out of the box, thumb screws are firmly locked in place, so use a screwdriver. The side panel has some ventilation too, so you're really going to get a lot of airflow with this case. The side panel is easy to remove, just as long as you get the thumb screws out of the way. The case has 20mm of space for cable management. It also comes with a goodie bag with screws and zip ties. Pretty good deal, right? Rakk was kind enough to include some Velcro cable straps to make managing cables easy. You also get a removable hard drive or SSD cage under the PSU shroud. Under the case, there's a removable dust filter for the power supply. Moving to the best side of the case, there's a hinged tempered glass door with a cloth puller and magnet to keep it locked tight. The case comes with pre-installed standoffs and a spacious hole if you need to change your cooler without removing the motherboard. Rakk also included rubber grommets to keep your cables nice and comfy. All in all, the case is amazing, especially for the price of 1,900 pesos. Like the case? Leave a like and subscribe to get more content like this. Peace.